What's up guys, it's NoyTebs here. So again, today we're going to unbox this solar post light. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there we go guys, so again I have here a solar post accent light, and I got this one from COSTCO, and again it's a very cheap one, but I hope this one works really good, and we'll see. So again, this one here, it comes with 4 solar accent light, and again I hope we'll see what's in the box. Okay, so we are going to start unboxing this, and again I have a sharp knife here. Just be careful. There you go. So there you go. I got it here. Just taking this out. We'll see. There you go. Ta-dang! So basically, there's 4 of them of this. And again, guys, this is a 10 lumen light output. And it goes to 8 hours operating time on an average sunny day, charging, and crafted durable all-weather metal. And again, there's 4 rechargeable AA battery on this. And it's already included, and it's a long life replaceable LED included. No wirings needed to install on this. So, but again, it's really good already. Okay, so again, I'll just try to take out 4 of them, and we'll see how it looks like. Where's the manual here? And again, there's no need to manual, but okay, so I got 4 of them. There you go. So I got 4 LED. This is for the post where we're going to put in my backyard, and we'll see how it works. So there you go. So this is it, and we have to remove this yellow. And then also remove this cover for the solar. So remove this plastic on top. There you go. There's a plastic here on top. And we're going to do that one later on. And then they have 3 LED lights here that you can see. So this is the one that's going to go for lighting. And again, if you want to replace a battery for this, just remove this battery, and then you can replace it. Okay, so again, this is the AA battery. It comes with AA battery, and also it's gonna be nice, right? So just all you have to do is to buy a battery every year, or maybe every 2 years, then that's it. So hopefully this one will work, and I'm so excited to put this one in my fence, so it can light up this one in my fence. So we'll see later on if there's no more sun. So it's gonna be nice to see if during the night, right? So again, I'm so excited to do this later on, and I hope I can show this one to you guys. And again, this is about $37 for these 4 of them. And I like the color, the metal that they're using here. Hopefully there's no rust or something, but it's beautiful. So far so good. I have my friend having this one, and so far there's no problem, even winter time, because it's charging every time. So again, all you have to do is to clean this one just to get more charge or something. So that's it. But again, beautiful. Put some screws here at the back and then put it on your fence, and we'll see during the night, right? I'm so excited this one to install it later. So, but again, perspective, very good product. And it's heavy. Actually, guys, it's heavy. It's heavy because of the metal, right? So, yeah. And again, we have to put back the cover. I forgot this one. So again, money-wise on this product, probably it's worth it for me. And I saw some of this one in my friend's, in their friend's backyard. It's still working for about 2 years now. So again, it's really good. And again, I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing. And we'll see later on about how it lights up during the night. And yeah, so again, you can get this one in Costco if you want to. I know that they're on sale right now in Costco, so grab yours and put this one whenever you want to. Okay? So, but hey guys, I hope you enjoy watching, and if you have any comment, just comment below, and I'll just put the link where I bought it so that, you know, if you want to, you can take a look. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell all the time so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on this channel. And again, thank you for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.